Greetings from San Diego, California. This interactive multinational video conference is reaching you live in English, Spanish, and Portuguese through a unique and complex international telecommunications network via satellite, microwave, cable, and the Internet. This program brings together distinguished organizations representing education, business, government, and civil society in the Americas, China, India, and Europe. We appreciate your participation. This is the 4th International Training Center video conference of the year 2010 series entitled Principles for Competitiveness in the New Global Reality. We invite our viewing audience and affiliates that may not have the support materials or the participants' manual for this program to contact us directly at info@itcsandiego.com to assist you with a copy. Thank you for your participation and being part of our international network. I'm Dr. Farhad Saba, Professor Emeritus of Educational Technology at San Diego State University and the moderator of today's program, which presents the important topic, Organizational Synchronization and Performance, a Roadmap for Global Competitiveness and Excellence. In past years, a myriad of management and performance assessment approaches and productivity techniques have proliferated in business, education, and government in response to the increasingly competitive nature of the new economy and the global market. Most of them, such as ISO certifications, coaching, Six Sigma, require external intervention or highly trained and often expensive consultants, auditors, and facilitators. In contrast, in organizational synchronization, or OS, is a new generation of systemic strategy that is implemented by the decision makers themselves with their internal expertise and resources. It provides guidance to its visioning and strategic planning and seeks to find a roadmap for increased performance, productive excellence, and global competitiveness measured on a quantitative scale of 0 to 100 points. It is particularly effective and essential in environments of high turbulence and change, such as the one we face in the new century and millennium. This exciting video conference will review the practical dimensions of OS implementation within our new global reality and dynamics. In a module titled A Global Framework for Implementation of OS and Achieving Results, our distinguished invited speaker, Dr. Meenakshi S. Krishnamoorthy, will reflect on the challenges of globalization and the proliferation of information and telecommunications technologies as a major driving force for the so-called new economy. In so doing, I'm glad to say that he will be quoting the views of our own systems thinker and founder of the ITC, Dr. Miguel A. Cardenas, regarding global curiosity and his pioneering achievement-oriented systems models known as 3 Cs, 3 S's, and PMI. He will also review past ETK research and organizational synchronization methodology and the practical advantages of this novel strategic approach, which refers to the emotional or human dimensions, E, the technology, dimensions T, and the knowledge, dimension K, of organizations. In another module titled OS Certification and the 3 S's Model as a Roadmap for Sustained Performance and Service, Dr. Krishnamoorthy will review OS Global Competency Standard and Certification, the importance of the concept of sustainability in Cardenas's 3S and model, the exploding field of green energy and solar power development, and an important doctoral research work on healthcare systems of a special invited guest, Mr. Victor Mugila. In addition to presenting valuable guidelines for performance and results. Our distinguished invited speaker, Meenakshi S. Krishnamoorthy, is a currently professor in the Marshall Goldsmith School of Management, Business and Management Division at Alliant International University in San Diego, California. He has earned a bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from India and a PhD from Manchester University, England. His research interests include organizational synchronization, technology transfer and development, quantitative methods, tourism economics, total quality management, project management, lean systems, and franchising fee structures. Dr. Krishnamoorthy uses his experience as a manager, supervisor, advisor, consultant, and educator in the management of different types of projects, ranging from shipbuilding to sugar refineries, campus construction to chemical factories, in order to inform and challenge his students to learn. He has worked for several international organizations, including the United Nations International Labor Organization and the Asian Productivity Organization, and helped to build the foundations of productivity movement in India. He has many publications to his credit. For example, he has co-authored a pioneering text on tourism economics that has been published by John Wiley Publications. As a co-author, this book has been translated to Turkish and Indonesian languages. Welcome to today's program. Let's begin with Module 1 of this program.